This video will show you the RealPresence Mobile graphic user interface. The numeric keypad will show it by default. The Recent Calls icon shows incoming calls received or outgoing calls placed from your mobile device. The Directory icon shows all the contacts in your local address book. While in a call, touch the screen to show the toolbar. Change the volume with the slider. The Connectivity icon shows your connection status. View the call time. Other icons include Hide Yourself View and Mute your video for privacy. Switch between the front and back cameras. Mute the microphone and hang up the call. Touch the menu icon in the lower right corner of the screen to show additional settings while in a call. Enjoy your meeting.